Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know what I mean? Take what I take and go do what I do. There are some editing said we but about to release this movie, so like, share, and subscribe, click the notification bell, you know what I mean? So you're notified when a new movie release. I know a lot of people, you've been watching the channel, but you're not subscribing. And thanks for everybody who's subscribing because that's what makes the channel grow. And the subscribing is free. Just click the button, it's free, no charge, right? Let's go. What's life without fire? What's life without fire? Not the day, Baba. Keep myself out of trouble. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. I'm the simple trash that blind eye. Search and my search and can't find eye. It should not be like this, such a blind eye. When jobless every man be shine eye. Bunny down to the gong man and no petty soldier. Life is a movie, watch a episode, yeah. Tell the Roxanne and Janelle fi hurry over. Full up the private jet, we go to Minnesota. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Judge make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. Fight don't make me stronger. It's the fight that make me stronger. Watch you, them a dance. Watch ya, see now me catch them off guard. Fight them a fight, them no see the bad dog. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. Later. Whoa, whoa. Alright. Oh, the country I run. That's why life so hard. Me I tell you, say I one world, I one yard. Oh my Lord, you can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later.
Yes, B.
Yo, don't go answer me about no yes, me. How many years you go last night?
B, me not go nowhere last night. I mean, my friend then go out.
So you just have to say you not go nowhere last night. Wait till more you go and broke you up.
Where you
You know
talk?
what going to ramp with me.
B, where you talk about? Remember say you have camera for me, one me not do nothing, B.
Yo, listen me no man, you see anytime you go know me supposed to know you go somewhere and tell me. You see anytime I see you, you would have got shot your pay box in your face, dude.
B, what we can't go on, so?
Listen to me, I say man call and ask you which part you go. And you come and come tell me, boy, you not go nowhere. Don't play with me,
Me not go nowhere, me and my friend then go out.
Yo, come on for my phone, you just make sure. Yo.
Me call him back because this not work out. Me love lick too much. Hello, me ain't not go work, you know. Me ain't not go work. You love lick too much. Or you love put your hand on people, so. Me can't bother with your man. Every minute you lick me up. Me tired of it, man. Me a go left, man. A beer lick me up. Tired, man. So.
I'll go and brown him.
Fire.
Yeah, ball, so what do you?
Yeah, man up here, they not top lick me up. Every day man lick me.
You want know? You can't make nobody lick you when you have 2 eyes and a man have 2 balls. You go so bam, kick him nine balls them. Right? When man abuse you, juke him 9 eye. But juke him 9 eye first. Cause I told him 2 weeks back from that. Bam, roll your eye, bam and back, you're gone through. You just get a lick him back and then you go. But when you do that, you leave. Him not see you back again. If I beat you all the while, you beat him back 1 time and call it a day. You understand?
Mm.
So not afraid that nobody beat you up. You understand? You're a nice girl. Look at your hand, them look like and maga.
The boy that top lick me up and he say man give me some box in my face when me go up.
But just remember, 2 eye first. You touch 2 eye them, knee.
Alright.
And then you can give him a couple look lick back. Run in the look side, they want to lick him. But anyway, I go on a radar. We don't promote violence, but some of them man they love lick too much.
That woman beat her.
So just defend yourself. Nobody kill you. Long as you know you no weapon, you defend yourself. If you have a weapon, nobody talk about the eye can cut you with the weapon. If you have 2 animals alone, you can eye and knee in a bars.
Alright, thanks fire.
Alright. If you have no pepper, you look up for your hand too. When you wipe in iron mouth, that's effective. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. Yo, come back in the yard now, girl.
Let me tell you something, girl. You see, more you run, and more lick you go get. You hear me, I tell you?
Me not come back now, you love lick people too much. Eh? Tell me I put your hand pa me like say I am a pa. Eh?
Yo, come back in the yard.
Me not come back in the yard for you lick me. Me tired of this now. Be hold on. You just get up in the morning and the first thing you think about is to lick me.
Another time, me lick you, take off it.
Oh, me eye.
You big fat. Ah!
Yo.
When more line, I remember where you do a problem.
What do you mean about good evening? Look how long you left work.
Not no say. Me left work, yes, but I'm going to get a taxi. So I just reach. I'll go on.
You think I said today Friday?
No, I'm not forgot.
Come. How much money is?
Check it out.
So me did tell us if you buy the motor it. For your money?
But
And your money? Me did tell you if you buy the motor it?
I mean you working, but supposed to leave me home.
What do you mean about you work and for your money you're not supposed to buy the motor it?
Yeah, I want to have a little bit of money me use now.
Yeah.
You hungry, where you want to do?
Me don't know what you use the money for, you know. And then your money, so where you use it for? Eh? Where you use it for? Come here, where you use it for? Would you take to spend your money?
A little bit of money.
Eh?
A little bit of money.
You spend money?
A little bit of money me use.
We can't spend it! Where you spend it for?
I just look at the money now.
And your money, me tell you spend it?
No.
Get up. Sit down there, sir. Sit down there, sir.
So I'm
You just spend the money?
That's you know that. Me not pick up no dick girl, no. Me not pick up no dick girl.
Me did tell you to spend it.
But a little bit of money,
Me did tell you to spend it.
Me can't walk back.
Lead on right there, son.
Me can't walk back.
Relax yourself. Me did tell you to spend it.
Me can't walk back in money, God.
You not tell me no walk back no money. You think this money I can buy what you want in my house?
No, sir.
Please don't want to take a first, man.
Thirsty. Yes, you are there. I want to dash.
You tell me, say dash you water in our house.
Go. Go that far.
You dash your water in our
I
house.
know me make you water and she sleep out of my hand.
You are clean now, where you are?
Me not clean no way. But you can't share the water. Water,
You dash your water in our house. Oh, yes. Clean it up.
Alright, me go clean up your water.
Clean up it now. Get up.
I don't need to see you anymore. You know I'm tired. I'm tired.
Oh, you're not. You're trying to come back. Don't come back.
Walk on. That you tell me now what the appointed time. One thing I have to tell you though. Despite the odds, to violate the charge, you have to speak to the gods. Come on from the phone.
Go on.
Come on here. I rub him skin for.
I tell you, say, woman over here, them man a beat me. I'm tired of it.
Where you say? No. Where you say look while? Your woman over here that beat you.
Yeah.
I beat you.
Yeah. Imagine you man tell me some water, right? I make water come and water drop out of my hand and dash. Hey, woman start beat me. I say, boy, I kill you and kill me over there.
Yeah,
You see him big and yo man strong me I tell you. So, I don't know how me I go manage.
Your house look nice. Love you.
You love me? Yeah, so my place is might look a bit messy, but
Somebody sir.
yeah?
Somebody sir.
My shirt man.
One shirt.
I don't want shirt I just design, you know? Watch that. So what go on now?
Can I get some of this?
No, it's low, you know?
You can't get some of it.
Low, you know, man.
Take it. Where's it now?
You like the place? Put on the bag.
I like it here.
This is my humble home. I like it. It might not look so wonderful, but it go work.
Look alright because if people have one bed there, look alright man. I'm thankful for it and grateful.
So, what am I going to do?
I'm there pan friend there, I'm eating alcohol. So maybe.
I'm going to tell me if I really have top of you and get it.
I'm never on bother you.
I'm talking about bother. That would be a bother. You're hungry, you tap and buy you something to eat. I know before you come here, so. Because I know so. Come here, so now.
KFC, madam.
KFC. You should tell me still. You should tell me when I'm up on the road, you know? Tap and get something.
Next time I tell you.
Yeah, I'm tired, you know. Tired. Because a long day on the road. All at 5.
Alright.
You're nervous with that?
Nervous. It's not as it, you know.
Find out you wake me up early, man, to go on the work, you know?
What time?
About 6:30, 5:30 time. You know.
No, I'm not. Maybe not something still. You come down to say.
How far this?
Yeah.
Okay. What me have something I'm gonna do this?
Eat it.
Eat it up. Can't do that well.
The tank full.
So how much food on your plate? Good. Egg and everything. I'm a dasher, man. I definitely hungry at this.
You better put in there more dash there. Just think, man.
Yeah, man, now this is supposed to have no food. A baby food, so this can full on baby belly. You're hungry too, man.
But babes, y'all come from fire road.
You're supposed to get food.
You couldn't stop and make them feed for yourself.
You're supposed to get food and come in. Where they are for?
Not even quarter to wash the juice.
You got dead. Trash, you got dead. Sure.
No, you're out of order.
Aren't you?
Your bread, brother. No too much things, brother.
You don't want to carry my phone?
Oh, get bacon.
What kind of woman pick up?
Come here, baby.
Don't touch me, man. What kind of woman pick up?
Okay.
Hello.
Well,
Is your family not to be going to our street? Want to be built? Let me build up my
we get laying on bed, man.
Come on.
Have you something left yard?
I honestly can get up and turn up a place, my girl.
Where you go to?
I can't walk this like this, I want to live, man. Yeah, what?
Me spray the bed from morning.
So how your bed looks, so? Yeah, what?
No more.
How can I live this, I want to live?
I just too much.
You just walk this, so. Just walk this.
Hey, what you do? What you do? No! No! Stop! You know my things. You're out harder. You know how bad this?
You can't move on by that.
Because you have to plan of money in you want to.
Thank you. What do I tell you? I need to get up and get some things in my house, man. That's from Lafa. We have some Lafa.
Yeah, I forgot buy it back.
Me hang here, girl. Me hang here.
You know, something you want to
Don't play me, no. Me hang here, yourself. For what? No, sure, no, shit like that. No one that, man. I don't know your mouth if I'm man. I want to smell plenty food to me. Sure, let's go and eat yourself. You can't tell me say you're there for a day. That's it, the bed, you can't put the bed. You can't walk this like this, I want to live.
You can't beg. Why? I can't see it bring you.
What kind of man is in the club?
Well, I can't see the honey.
In the bathroom, it will stink. You shit in the bathroom?
I can't. But it's flushing.
Flush it. Maybe gonna shit up on this.
Yeah,
Maybe gonna shit up on this. See my girl. Here's walk, please. Eh? It was low, so. You think we can't get people coming here? I'm ashamed for the with you right now. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed for the with you, my girl. I can't do this. I say how they place. Oh, think you're good for a knee and sleep and shit.
Woo! Sorry.
What can I do, baby, man?
No shit, then the pie carried.
Imagine.
What you fuck? What you shit? What shit? Hush, this is
I'm
your
a shit panny. Imagine a cook. Imagine a cook. And look where you cook spaghetti and egg. Want you? Spaghetti and egg.
I want shit. Follow me guy tell it. Shit, you know?
I'm like, run up sitting there. Look at me. Want you? I'm not gonna fuck my girl. I throw you asleep tonight. I need some food, man. Hold it.
I'm full of dog food. Taste a dog then.
What dog?
You. How it taste? How it taste good beers?
No taste three body.
Okay. This me a bad shit. Can't buy that.
No, sir. You put in that food.
Mayonnaise, egg, salt.
No, sir.
I can't make from my table like I'm
Belly hurt me. That the food I'm eating.
Stop
belly
telling
hurt me.
You want shit from like my belly out too. She must spit. My belly out.
No. Just say I wanna know be. So we had it ready upon.
You know I'm there.
I tell us, boy, I'm going to go on the road today and you want to buy something that I will never get to buy field except for I'm going to go on the road tomorrow still.
But alright, so you're not buy something for you or nothing for.
I'm really hungry, you know, but different from that still.
So I'm not hungry for.
Wait on, but different from that still. When you look forward to in a relationship.
Let's hope for the last, but let's hope for the last paper.
And that more than want to, but you know,
I'm
man
hoping
still.
that cheat and something there. I mean like man a lick woman.
Me not like,
Can
me
me
not,
kill you.
listen up, me not
If
like,
I raise
listen
your
up.
hands, hopefully.
Listen up, me not like woman who go and like say they want to take advantage of man and put their hand palm and not expect say.
No,
Maybe
yeah,
get
that's
back.
how I'm still.
I saw you go say no because you want me look past you and say, oh, you want good girl and things. But we see what go on. You see me?
We shall see, come. I see like some dirty foot girl or beat one of them, something of them, you know.
Just know saying a relationship we gotta have some rules. You see me? We gotta have what not to do and what to do. Because I know man stay go find where you see one man a drive one hype car, you know, only get GG out, you know.
No, I'm not like that. Car can't catch me.
And that you go say.
Because sometimes the car them and a few boy them own.
I know that.
But not a long time. Car cannot catch me.
Well, I say you say still. Just want to know say yo things work out the way it's supposed to work out. You know, everything normal out. You know, calm and easy. You see me? No, I don't want to date no girl that want to go like say they want to take me for fool and thing, you know.
You get the recipe.
So, you know cook?
Where did you cook this evening?
So me again.
You can see careful by for the road.
I know not to want to go up on the road because I'm not to like how the police help on the road.
Well,
and
I'm
things.
going to sleep. I'm not going out there. I'm tired. I'm going to feel good. So if you're not going to afford, go to your bed.
But still, wait, you know, try plan, you know, try if you open one business or something.
I'm going to look one work.
Yeah, but we can
What kind of business?
help
What kind of business?
any kind of business, we can help with some money, you know, make be it a little business and make support the same way. When we can, you know, because
Yeah, big little shop also.
two we can do, one work and one work hard, you know.
For true.
Because when somebody can't bring you food on the table, sometimes it's hard for one somebody find food, you see me? So, you need the support.
You know, one babe. I get better, I get tired. So I have to sleep.
So you want to sleep on the day I'm normal, you know?
Good night.
I don't know. Sleep, you know? Go on easy, man. Go on. See me can catch a fight. I'm ready for sleeping. Dude,
Yes.
all good.
I'm there.
Yeah, sleep.
You blind? You come back and wake me up for?
You come for a lot of time for you wake up now.
I wake up for a reason.
My time now, you know? Get up out of shape, man. So what going on?
What kind of time you want to have?
What going on?
Nothing me there. Yeah, man.
Listen, walk. Why you walk me out, brother?
So, you have to bring you my money come. You know some of
payday, man. When payday come, you get money. You're so gluttonous.
you know some phone mash up.
So how that happen?
You know some phone drop in the water and mash up.
So how you make that happen now?
Well, me in the bathroom and
I better say carelessness.
me in the bathroom put my phone on the toilet bowl. And my clothes in the pan, I'm just take up and just drop in the toilet.
Alright, yeah, I get my phone for you still, man. I can get back on my phone. But you know more
Make sure
Let me get my phone.
on the phone by next week.
So I can go on. So I can go on.
And when I get it, I'm leaving.
Yeah, so true, me can't. So you can't make my phone and go.
But they're about 2 weeks now. Ain't that if bring you one money come to make one talk
And I
about.
don't know it.
And every day you gotta work.
But you don't know what I want. You don't know what I take this and like them.
Shut up! Shut
I don't
up!
know if money I make.
If I know the other girl that give them door.
Go on, some man and chat about other woman. Push that woman me off. I can't get it for man. But I don't want to sleep. I'm bad on my boy phone. I come in and I have to give me a nice massage. I say, baby, why?
You're not bringing money left to bring me if you can't get massage. But about 2 weeks and we can't get that
Where you want?
KFC.
You're not the word KFC.
Oh!
You're not qualified for KFC.
Some of the word KFC.
KFC better than you.
Big ugly looking boy. Let me tell you.
Listen to me, all foot. Listen to me. Listen. We just come in from work. We want to rest. And I don't want no mosquito. I don't want no mosquito make the nice part in my ears.
On the floor.
Yeah, hey.
On the floor.
You think I feel it? Sleep on the floor, my girl.
Say I remember for the bed. Ow! Go! Moving on, Kenas. Tired like mine. They want to push me off the bed. You know how much this work? Pass the bed there.
So who do you tell us me enjoy? We can't enjoy that.
Oh, so you know what? Enjoy what I see. Say I tell me that I enjoy this.
Oh, at my place. That can go me and stay. My place.
Say I enjoy this. So I can't go then.
You don't want no. Right now, moon man are left tonight, you know, because I have stress.
What's the other man?
Oh man, you. Why? My girl, you come in nice, and they are going on a nice life, then you come start up your food and this. Aren't you, my girl?
Say I tell me that this worked to bed.
No, the word. Everybody have to sleep on a bed, isn't me? But me not say.
No, say I tell me say I work the bed.
No, me not say no to bed, but.
So, why you pick me up in the first place from? May I get the flight, yo? And say, anytime someone put foot out of this, you know how much man want me? You know how much man want me? You know how much...
Alright.
You see you? You see you? Come front of work now. God damn, man. Can't you front of work? This work more than anything.
Alright, we are going to test you. Alright. Stop going to man. That I know if you're going to over?
Yes! It's out of order. Who is you, big mongrel dog? Who is you?
Me know what you want, you know.
You need to get together and act like a big. Oh God.
You good now?
You know, alright. You know what I say? I said I'm going like I'm not get on the babes. You have to, you know, see, you have to still make us love you. You're my husband.
No, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come and get a massage. Fix good now.
So earlier, me want the massage and you give me number one. I did the massage. What do you go? You know? Yeah, something.
Just remember, sir, this just get work the phone next week.
Yeah, man, me I look what if
Have a good night.
Yo. I wish man a day in a phone with.
May I talk to my two friends them and first and
Which
foremost.
two friends? After man buy your phone, get in and chat to man on phone. Now you take this thing for.
Look how much months they give me the money. They give me the money about 2 months now. You want to come talk to me still there? Your uncle sleeping or say your uncle eat, sleep. Me a day. You give me the money 2 months now.
Hey, I'm me and you this. You can't day in here talk to no man on the phone. Now you take this thing for.
I already lock off the phone.
You give me my phone to me.
You're out of them. You buy a phone or so? Try moving on. Where are you from? Where are you from? Flip me.
Hey, I was like, okay, see girl. You think I play me a play here?
Listen to me. Let me tell you this again. You're not giving me the money 2 months now. And you want to come talk about some of them. You don't come in here night time, eat, sleep and repeat and go back at morning time. See you can't.
Man, me name. A woman, hey. That's all good for. The powerful man, don't. Hey, man, take some slap
hurt.
upside down.
You sound hurt.
Hurt. Me not hurt.
Your past hurts, stage.
Alright, mama, you see like how you're tall and bigger and that bigger than me. Alright. You know me I go do.
Come out.
Me I go for one.
Come out.
Me I go for me next woman.
Come out here.
Share a deal with you.
Move.
Say alright.
You don't say boy, I know. Me don't kill a boy. It's my life miserable day by day. Come on, man. Alright. Where's the now be absent?
What is that? This is a big black cow in there. What is all this?
No, wait.
No, shit. Don't come on, no, babe. Don't touch man, no, babe. Don't that. You smell like a big old stinking piece of egg, girl. Don't play with me now.
Miss Black, come and tell us now.
Missy, so me tell you this now. Go run with this now. Hello, come out, honey. Come out, man. Oh, come out. Come out. I meet you. Yeah, hey. Yeah, sorry. But I get right. She knows she made it over now. But she take this thing for. And she come back? And she come back? Yeah. Come here, babe. Come here. Come here. Me tell her this now, girl. Come here. Girl. No wrong with me. Hey, girl, you know me? You know who is me? And me tell me run things, you know. Things that run me. So you gonna come out of this with a piece of old bunny. Come out. Girl, you know me? What's that? Where are you? Where are you?
Say a man, girl.
Come out! Out! Come out! Come out! Come out!
Arms out, things that's my life from the place.
Come out!
Come
Come out! Come out!
I started on some zero.
Yeah.
I've tried the money for 2 months now.
I'm
I'm gonna tell her the truth.
I got all of the money, my girl. One.
You're not giving me no love in the night time, but You want? Me on the phone now.
You are there now, the man for a phone.
See, man?
Yeah, go look
Yes,
walk.
tell me.
Go look walk.
Because every day me there, much of it
Come on, man. Come on. Me take on Teddy. Come on, not true.
What are you?
Yo, me tell you this, little girl. Come out of this.
Oh God.
Yeah, eat it.
Come on.
Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come on, man. And I feel the drunk girl. Looking dog. Bright girl. I'm telling you, Catella, man. She know with me. Babes. Me do her things, you know. She don't know me, you know. She don't know me. Sure. Come on, let's stop being for the girl. You don't see even the bird. Come on. Come here, babes. Which bed I go on? The one here? The one here? Come here. So where you still? You good?
Yeah, man, me good. See a girl over here. Come here, come catch a girl on the phone. Imagine if something there.
You know some of the that's it's so good for that. Yeah.
Get that glasses. Get something.
Look here, next time I kill me, I'll kill her here. Can't no girl lick my man, I feel like you're so crazy. So I go on.
Today I'm babes.
You good?
Yes, babes.
You're no cool to no sir. Hi!
Oh,
You're no cool to relationship.
no, true, me get the babes here. You know,
What?
I love the babes here, you know. I have to say, you know.
Babes this, babes that. This babes. Babes. That's all of them and babes.
Calm down, babes.
You're again babes. No
Calm
sir.
down, man.
How are yourself, yeah?
So,
So you're not hungry?
boy, I tell you when I'm with my foot on the road today, boy, man. Tell you.
Oh. But they cook chicken and rice still.
Yes, good. I can't cook better than the last girl.
Don't do it. I can't mix with that black monkey there.
Boy,
That cockroach, they have up on the bed over there,
I don't
so.
know how I find myself with her. Come like a dream with the gym. Boy, I time the time. Boy, I don't know.
Moose. I make on Lucy.
I tell her. Say, babes, me like a beef together. Oh, God, man.
Then the mouse girl forget box up and kick up.
I'm afraid now about you, kind of beat me too.
I'm gonna beat you. You think somebody make she touch you and me did it?
You couldn't do nothing because you're the weird so the girl in front of you. So.
Yeah, eat it. When time I hold her by her head and pull him back,
You
so.
got your foot there long too, you know. Can't
And me go so you reach over there a long time.
cool, no, man.
Then the mouse.
Alright,
Alright, girl, get in your life, you know. Right,
Right,
girl. Babes, start going someone. Your head, Bomba. The person so soft. Jesus Christ.
Calm down, yeah. Touch up my face, man.
When I sleep, me want to sleep, you
I
know.
tell her, I'm not telling me that I had me. I don't know how I go and I'm going to look at taste, but price didn't give me down the road today.
I come and boast about it though, but you get food to eat. Only come and chat about how.
You get some something.
You good there?
Tell some belly full.
More than good.
You are going so far.
Me not going nowhere, we just
You
stay
can't
home.
go on the road and get some food.
Stop it, if you come on there, she come on there, she can. Come on there, she can, me go sleep.
I'm good. Good, man, I'm good.
I go sleep, bye, good night.
Yeah, go on the bed.
See you no want to sleep?
No, sir.
I go lock off the lights.
We are lock off the light for my girl.
I go lock off the light once. Lock off one
can't
of your
see.
head.
No, left the light.
I lock off the light.
I can't cross this one and pick up, man.
Babes, wake up. Wake up. Wake up, man. I'm tired of this now.
Babes, tired of her.
We want to be there for a couple. Oh, I can't be there now.
What happened?
I see the nasty.
What me do?
Imagine I went up in the bathroom and left the bread and the face beer toothpaste all over it.
Bread.
Me say it.
Babes.
You know say something for eat that though?
don't
Did
feel
I say
that.
bread?
You not talk no.
Me say I went up in the bathroom and on the face basin. Look here.
Yes, that's
That's Jamaican.
nice. You just
I'm on the face basin, brother.
You just tell me.
I be a two-place there on
You just tell me
it.
say for why puppy that don't know if you make nice over.
Because me talk too much time about you do the same thing over and over again and me tired of it now. Me not gonna take this bullshit with you no
Yeah,
more.
one like say me do it for spite. I no spite me do it for you know.
What you mean in a spite? See, I tell me, see, you left from out there, so you see something in there, you still left it in there, brother?
Babes.
Come here to me, please. Laughing.
Babes, me not laugh.
What do you mean, babe? Come here, brother. Me just sit up
Babes.
on the bed, babe. Me need to talk to you about something. Yeah, that is style it not going to work, brother. Don't stop what up, Pamela, man. I get dark on you, brother. Stop what up, Pamela, man.
Babes,
Yeah, you get me dark right now. Come chop him, calm down. Look at me, look at me. Me I talk to you calm, right? No, don't tell me bullshit on my ears. No, me there here to talk to you good. Me I talk to you calm, tell me to calm down. But me I talk to you calm, me I tell me to calm down, brother. This makes it. Look, me tell you this now. Me not tolerate them foolishness here. Them see your foolishness, brother.
What you
mean? My brush on my cook, I'm not to be shit. I don't turn on the to wash it.
You want to name girl that too?
You want them girl that you never know?
Babes.
You never know?
Babes.
Babes. You never know?
Babes.
You never know?
Babes. Yeah, do me so far.
You never know. Come back. Where you run go? Where you run go? More than like to know where you run go, brother. Me step in your conscience, man. You don't know me, you know? I rub down my foot, not true. You have a heart, I rub down my foot, not true.
Babes. No, babes.
Boy.
You can't find any babes.
Boy.
Babes.
Me try with you, not true. Me beat you in your one hour, you know?
Babes. You don't have any
Come out. Please, come out.
babes.
You need to come out of this now, please.
Babes, I'm out.
You have nothing in your go on.
I'm house, no, babes.
What type of thing stay? Go on.
So you put me out of my house.
Me no business, I'm after me at your house.
You can't come out. You can't come out, babe.
Come on.
Babe, you can't.
Out. Come out.
Babes, you can't come out.
Now me take all the panty them and beat and not true.
Babes.
Panty you want to beat and not I mean wheel in your mouth. Hey boy. Come back. Just come back. Foolishness. Yeah, man, look come around with the boy and I'm gonna roll it tonight, man. Really? I don't have to be lonely tonight. I don't have to, you know. Because I'm gonna take my man the number. I'll call him over. Hello. What going? No man. I'm a boyfriend, me just run out. I say here so much nice. Yeah. The boy now go on good man. The boy left 2 places in his face base and dirty up in his bathroom. One bag of sit. Me tell you, I forgot. Me can't manage. Me go through too much with him. So I run him out of his own house. Because we bad like that. Yeah. But I never call about anyways. What if I come over? Because we are going lonely tonight and I don't have nobody to talk to and nobody to, you know? Yeah. Alright then, I open the door. Alright. Alright. It's good to have a neighbor with a man. Yeah. Oh my God. What is it? Come in. Come in. I don't know, take match with the slippers in the side.
Sorry.
Yeah, ask me this on the phone.
Yeah.
My boyfriend break up because he not go and go. You understand?
I understand you.
The boy, so you still so far can someone never know?
You know, like, sit down for your habit, you have the habit that we sit down on people's bed.
So you're afraid of me?
I'm not afraid, but I don't like sit down on people's bed. There's that.
So you take me as a stranger now?
No, I remember saying you're right to so many people. I know I see all the while. I'm not always over here having a look argument.
Yeah.
I'm past and sick more time.
And I'm not call over that for talk or anything. Call over here because I have nobody know I'm single and I know say I'm single because are you alone always up here.
Alone always be.
Somebody I say if I told you in a relationship.
But you can work out and see what you take with.
Because me did it, and most of the time I want somebody to go and talk to and reason with. Because right now, to see it, you have to have somebody, either old or young, you have to have somebody you can talk to and tell certain things most of the time. Most of the time, me over there, I sit down and I just think, and I just wonder, you see me? So, you're one good person.
Yeah.
But the cussing thing, me don't know over. Who always start the argument over here? You or him?
No, not me. Me a good girl.
You sure?
Me a good girl,
I
cause me
feel
a
more
smile.
here.
No, because I have to load up my market more because I him started. You see what I take care? Me a good girl, right? Me do everything. Me do everything he ask me to do.
Oh.
Yeah. Me always me load up my mouth for no reason.
Cause every morning me get up, me have to say, no sir.
No.
I want to them sir.
Because me not like people tell lie for me. Always accuse me of certain things which me know so me not doing.
Oh.
See me? So me have to get aggressive. Yeah, me have to get aggressive for him.
Say cheat.
No, I'm
I
a
mean,
lie.
I like them something, hey.
You don't cheat and me don't cheat, so when I make a
Me
good
not
couple?
cheat. But me nah say, listen, flirting and not cheating.
Don't do that, don't do it, don't do it.
Listen, me tell explain the last relationship, you know, me flirt with that girl and them say me cheat. Me not cheat.
Because that is cheating.
Me just a compliment a girl and say, hey, you look nice.
No, when me in a relationship, I can't
So
do
me not
something
do
there.
none of that.
No. You want me to do you would like me to do it?
No.
I tell man say they're cute and
Me
them,
just-
and they have abs and them this and them that. Eh?
True.
No, we wouldn't like that, so we don't like
So yeah, that girl will cook and they come like my food and me like Sunday dinner.
Yeah.
Me have to eat
Sir.
early in the morning because
Don't
when I
worry.
time me have acid reflux.
Look here.
Last girl, she never make no tea give me. And me have to get up and make my own.
Look here.
Only thing she want on a young girl on the dep on phone enough. Enough on the dep on phone as like morning light.
Don't do that,
phone
bow on the girl.
on
picnic.
TikTok.
Don't do it. bow on the
TikTok
girl
on the dep
picnic.
and I do dirt
Me
bounce
not
and me just ask you is a girl that cook, right?
Me wash, cook, clean. Me do everything.
So-
That's all I want to know.
You sure I'm my problem in a relationship?
You the problem. Me can't bother. When you go work, you know, when if you come in this hours, yeah, like if you come off your shift 7 o'clock, you might reach at 10 o'clock, but I'm not in them style there. If I don't run bar in top, I know until look at money when you care account gimmick. Rich, me not really fancy money, you know. I don't really like take things from him, but
She's
me.
an independent girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, me like that.
But he might drink out his money and by the end of the day, money might depend upon.
You
You
have
must say
fun over here, so.
Me have fun, sir.
Oh,
You know you're trying to starve, you know.
me just say.
Me could never independent and not have fun on me yard.
So we have to
Which
start
one am I
something
yard
serious, right?
Dirty football. Yeah.
Right?
So you want to get started by now?
Come on, you want to get know me better, right?
Yeah.
Ask me anything you want to.
What's your favorite color?
Black, you see me black. Black out.
Alright, what
Black
you
is favorite, always in a black.
Alright. Actually, I was saying I'm black for you.
But from me young, they always say about something about dopey. From me young about black.
Dopey
What
nice.
I tell you mine, but a black is my
Remember you get afraid, yeah? What do you Look here. It's a black your favorite color, so what's your favorite food? You like eat?
Well, curry chicken and white rice.
Right, so
White
on there, right?
rice. White rice.
White rice.
But when anybody need it from doing it, have to cook it how me want it.
Me enjoy the
Spicy.
skills.
What's your
Enjoy.
favorite food? Can we can cook in
I don't really have a
bad
favorite
price.
food.
Eat anything.
Not anything, but I have a favorite food.
Well, if you don't have one or so, your favorite color, what's
Okay.
your color?
Pink and purple, but we can't continue this in the morning because I kind of want to sleep now.
I want to sleep.
You stay over here with me tonight?
You want me to stay over here with you?
Yeah, but you know something in our relationship now?
You sure you not come back?
Come back way. From a lot them door, you know. No matter what you do, you can't come in here because I know so me beat him, me kill him.
Alright, so that's a lot.
Just draw the curtain if me please. And me we hang him.
But I have to go over early morning and come here work.
You got one over there?
No, I say I have to go. I work now with me now, nobody else.
Oh yeah, I work tomorrow.
I work.
What kind of work you do by the way?
Me is a building with the building construction.
Oh, building construction. Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. So I wanna get a money on Friday daytime.
Yeah, anytime in a week. Oh.
Hello?
Hello.
You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. Where are you there?
They sit down and right now I'm leave I don't know. But you know, should I have something to tell you?
So you're not cook today?
Yes. Me have a
We know
cook.
say the phone signal allow for the video call and thing. So what more you do? Just take the video man and take the time and send off it. It will come through. Me see you cooking in the kitchen and so. Like somebody hold the phone to your yard, man. Can I have a girlfriend them there or something?
Yeah, me have one of them there now.
Yeah, man. Some of the one you deal with the way that means you can show you the operating in the kitchen car. When I come down, a man shining on them something there, someone who say you're the right person, like how you're stout and sexy and strong, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's my thing. Yeah, man, so, you're a king, so, you know you go.
And
So,
now you're a queen.
what you wearing there, yeah?
That's how one of them boy shorts, them strap blouse.
Oh. Yeah, man. That's one good vibration, man. So, if me there, I go and get myself organized, roll up on the road, I come have some errands I run up and down today. But, so the video, I cook and thing, you know what I mean? But tomorrow, I'm wire some money tomorrow, right? Just send me info again, because I made a change up, because I'm try block you and thing, you know?
Alright.
Alright, so send me, I look forward to see the video. Alright?
Yeah, my son send it.
I like I like this on nude picture too, you know. When the time right, you can send me to a nude picture too. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, yeah.
Love you.
Love you too, you know.
You can't walk on the road alone now. TV up on the road.
I didn't know that. I'm sorry. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I'm new. I just live down there. Do you mind walking me, please?
No problem.
I feel more safer. Thank you for everything.
Hello, good night.
Yeah, wagwan.
Nothing much. How are you?
You know you're the good, you know. I've mash up one boy face today, but anyway, me hear some things are going on your side. What me is going on today?
Well, basically, I was robbed, and this Good Samaritan saved me. Like, literally got my bag back and my purse, everything, my phone.
How you go though? Somebody grab a bag or what?
This young boy, like, yeah, he was, you know, I was walking, didn't notice him, and then he just came up behind me and grabbed my bag and, you know, started legging. And as he was running, like, this good Samaritan, like, got my stuff back, literally stole him off from me, like, you know. But I'm gonna come up and see you.
No man, not come up and see me. Me I come down there come see what go on, man. That thing don't happen on my island. Alright.
When you get here, I'll explain everything to you in more detail.
Alright, so you wanna know, I'm on a mission for tonight. So tomorrow, as day break, I come down to a place called Suwagwan, alright?
Okay, thank you so very much.
But you're good otherwise though.
I was a little bit shaken up, but from that, I'm fine.
Yeah man. Or the young one?
She's fine. She's here now and we're all good. I just thank God for that Samaritan, that big Samaritan.
Don't worry yourself, man. When I forward, I'll go buy my Jagan. And you can drink a Jagan or a Guinness. Alright?
Thank you. Yes.
Alright. Me there I go all the time. I have to look at errands to deal with tonight. So tomorrow though.
Alright, blessed.
Alright,
That's fine.
yeah man, talk to you soon.
Alright, bye darling.
Alright, burn it down. Yo, you know what you do? More you line up one small pair of shoes. Because I travel at distance, you don't want no big shoes, you know. I want a small pair of shoes with a few socks. Right? Yeah man, early morning I want it for. Something clean, that's a newborn look shoes, a look baby shoes. You know, give me one shoes look like a tie. Because just in case we run the feds them, I want to look like a tie, I can explain myself, you know what I mean? So give me one of them new one that look like a tie. And look a baby one. Yeah man, them look shoes there. Yeah man, couple socks. Yeah man, that good. Yeah man, them money there, right? Don't worry about that man. Alright, that is it. Roughly 7 o'clock, then time them want push out. Because I'm going to this time my drive up. Alright, yeah man, that work man. Alright. So I go on yesterday because I never get the time to come down still. So I really go on.
I was robbed, and this lovely gentleman helped me.
You know him?
I don't know him, but he's so lovely. This man just went and tackled the perpetrator that came and literally snatched my bag and everything.
But you give him a thing though?
No, I was hoping that you could give him something, like.
Know yourself, man. So, what's your name though?
I think it's Boy Boy.
Oh, I know that look at you with the man.
Okay.
I'll go page him.
Thank you.
Yeah man, so I'm going to drop around the yard around here so.
Yeah.
And then, I'll fix business. You know what I go on.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah man.
I'm truly grateful because I was so scared, like. He literally came out of nowhere and just stick me up. That's never happened to me.
The country I get rough enough because of the leadership and where them a carry go, you know? Well, the country I get rough enough according to the leadership and where them a carry go. You gonna be able to walk carry alone.
It was just me one. I was on my way to pick her up.
Oh, that's a good move. That's a good move, though, say, you know?
Thank you.
Yeah, man. That is it, man.
Thank you so very much.
Burn it down. Am I here, man? You see it?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, no worry yourself, man. Everything go fix.
That put me off. I just literally don't want to come out anymore. I'm so terrified. Anyone I see walking, I'm always looking, you know. I'm nervous.
Alright. That's alright. Why, boy?
Money though.
Where are they live?
I got it.
You know, I give you know. You know what, say? The sister will help out, but they are my link, you know.
Who that? Your man, woman and me? Right?
Yeah, well, somebody try to rob him. So you good though?
Yeah, man.
Come in
there,
the
man.
vehicle, man. Come in the vehicle. So what I can do for you now still?
Yes, right now, I'm broke and want some money.
Broke and want money.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. You can change that a bank. But differently. You know what every young youth want. Here? You just start assisting you on the road. I'll show you me a talk. Now then I play somebody, man, you know?
Oh.
You have to get line and deal with some matters. So if me lady jump in at the place and I go and run some errands. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So some you can understand themselves. You know the youth though?
You know something ain't seen face.
No man, you must see your face, man. Remember good. Must you then say catch him now. Remember good, man.
Yeah. You see a woman.
You have to go find out.
Oh, fat youth.
You know party live?
Must have one bush or one yard. Me see one coming on over the same live.
We go circle if we need to find him and discipline him because you have to have discipline. You know what I mean? Because you have to run an order. You understand what I mean? Yeah man, so that. So we go drive going so and then we talk to you different. Then after that we go check for the youth part. There. You see after me teach him a lesson, me make you enjoy yourself. You know what I mean?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, I'll show you something I'll go on now. The man, the place now run good, is it? No discipline. No my ideas that you know go on, man. Youngs and a thief.
Just say I walk and I see a youth. Like you just look suspicious.
Alright, so she gonna come for now.
What going to water?
I'm there with a one bag now. Come like that. You what go on now? Some bread in here? You must have a thing for me, right?
Yeah.
So, I want you there with him now. Yeah.
But you have a man.
Left him. You have a new man now. You hear me, sir? Daddy, you see that girl there? I feel for no one.
But still T-Watt, you know some man talk to you still.
You want to see what you say?
No one said talk what I talk.
What's that going on now?
Because I'm afraid of woman still. Because I did there treat woman and they not beat me.
A woman a beat you?
Yeah.
We have unfair. But anyway, you make woman a beat you, daddy. You mash up the concept, man. But look what you fight for my sister. And you can't fight yourself. Anyway, alright. I gotta teach you a lesson. Alright, so instead of give that girl here, come like that girl for myself today. So I go and use it for myself in the meantime. But when I get take a revenge, and the one them will beat you, I go drop you on the yard. After we go deal with the boy who try pick for me woman things. You see it? And then in a night, while a woman will beat you, make you beat them back. Then that will build up a confidence. The next time you will know how to deal with them.
That sounds good, man.
Alright. We go on, mama. We don't bother do it that way, right? Still, left your man. I'm back in that place a little while. So, more see you. You know what I mean? So me and you can there. For no one. Him say no, him afraid of you.
Yeah.
Yeah man. So no worry yourself, man. That good still. A long time more you still. Back in that place now. So more there for a while. So until me left here, tell the man to come look for you. You know? Alright sir?
Alright.
I'll jump off my run a yard and we go out and go chill out, alright?
Alright.
Where you live, bad dog?
I kind of feel hungry.
Anything if I even?
No, I never really hungry for I eat, but I feel hungry now.
Where will be?
Like KFC.
No, I will go accept them.
Then go on then, no? I take long to come hungry, bad.
Soon come.
Alright. And be safe. Alisa, are you ready to come and one box of KFC? What's true? No.
What's it back? No more.
What is?
Get up. Get up.
Lock up in there. Yo, lock up in there. Lock up in there.
Lock up in there.
Yo. Lock up in there.
I'm going to belly for me then.
Yo, eat that. Eat that. Food. No. Somebody. Boy, shut up, no boy. Why am I going to talk first? We have a look cause about the place. Who don't know but the nigga hang himself. 5 look of young girl beating them. Beating till like he had mad out. Me say what I get on beating too. No, me know. He tell me you have a diary when I left a yard there. So, you beat him, you never kill him. So now me hire one youth. To beat back him, all I want to beat him. So if whoop you want to get lick in your hand or for your backside, which you want it?
No.
Boy, yo, eat the food.
Yeah.
No. Calm down, man. Now what choice? One bullet. You want the bullet instead?
No.
Turn over your backside. Turn over your backside. Turn over. No, turn on that one.
No! What about this one?
Matter of fact, you see this sound of death, yeah, man are death young. Yeah,
Yeah!
Who them man there? No. Who them man there? Come on, down. Who them man there? They are going with the KFC.
I'm hungry!
Come here, go now. We going with the KFC.
Hello, who is that? Where?
They have a look at puzzle and it hang itself. You know, nobody don't know. But you ain't even say there. You say look at black you there. No one no longer lying. And me say you piss him up and you beat him. So you write down one book. In journal. So
Jesus Christ!
I know I'm a Jesus Christ. That's your name. Right? So, what? So, we're paying in full. So, what am I doing now? I want to look at you.
You can't do anything.
Better about. Mr. One thing to who mentioned about it?
You see him with body, you see him with gun. He dey get killed.
So, which one you want? To choose this one. You want a gunshot or you want him lick your back? Feel like lick your So, second, where you want lick in your hand?
Lie down.
Or you want to lick? Where you want to lick?
I know what you want, yeah, share it.
Wait. You work for me. I mean, I tell you. What you want to lick? Talk to me.
I know, anywhere.
Anywhere? Put yourself here, sir.
Yes, sir. Sit cross yourself. On your belly.
Never lick him. I even that beat me.
Wait now. So watch out now. You go give him a bumper job. Lick him on him bumper tomorrow and get more man. Make him bumper swell up.
Don't yourself good.
Don't break his hand. Lick him on him bumper.
Move your hand. Mind the pump.
Move your hand. Carry my hand. Broke. You hand broke.
Build up your hand. Now go move your hand then.
Alright, that's enough now. Come on, that's enough. Run now. Next time, don't beat man. Go now. By the time y'all listening, I'm looking at cousin, you know. I already deal him rough. But he went full to take for now. But he kill himself, so I want to beat him so much. Shall I get 2 more? You got 2 more. So you can get happy. When you find a fan, give him 2 more.
No, please.
Turn round! Turn round! I feel like I'm going to shoot that one.
Lay down. That's all I'm hearing. Lay
Get down!
Move your hand.
No!
You put your hand in the pop.
No, please.
If you put your hand in the pop. Move.
No, stop.
Lay down.
Take one in your hand then. Hold out your hand then.
Hold out your hand.
Hold out your hand.
Hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. Hold out your
Come
hand.
on now.
Crosses.
Don't lick man again. Chop pop your hand.
And make sure say food don't cook enough. Cause right now, you know heap of work when me do today? Yeah, I mix on juice and put in the fridge. Come here, come on now. Alright.
Good night. Come on for that phone. Put that phone. Give me. Go to college. The 3 women them were beat my cousin. Peter. There was a thing. You see him? He might take revenge. Me look a cousin. You get it there. Me look a cousin. And they have him beat him. So now we just return the favor. All like girlfriend them beat him. They want to get back to beating them. Can't kill himself. You never hear about the news about him killing himself. Me I tell you, he kill himself. Traumatized, but lick them home and deal with them. He kill himself. So me I give you a choice though. Either you want a bullet or you want the beating them back. What you want? That's true, it's fast. You have a choice. I'm going to shoot him, I'm not shooting your head, I'm shooting your foot.
No, brother.
Alright, so what you want to do? Want it in your hand? Want it in your hand, Miguel? But you have to get it. You want it for your foot side? You want it for your bumper? Where you want it? You want it in your back?
Where you want it?
You want it in your head? Shoot, fast.
Time I'm clicking.
Each place get different lick. Your bumper go get 4 lick. Your head get 1. Your hand them get 5, 6. Your shoulder then take 7 because show them strong. They can't take it. What you want now? What you want to talk now? They want 4. Yeah, 4 on our bumper. Turn around.
Wait, no.
When you lick people picking it, make sure. I feel like I get up a little bit too much, you know. Come, go on.
Morning.
Oh, well.
My dear, you know. I just come to talk to you and ask if you can forgive me for the things that I do. I know say things that I do it is wrong also, but because it kind of stress out and so. But I ask you if you can forgive me for you.
Forgive you for all what you do to me. That kind of rough, you know, but when I look on everybody need a second chance, you see me? So I just have to give you one second chance, you see me? But just remember, say, the same back when I use and beat you, remember say I still have it. Yeah. So no, but remember say I still have it, but so you know, say we get here again. Go on.
But, so you da beat me a lifetime them? But because tell me say you did dead in yourself. So I don't understand, but...
That I think. Dead. Dead man, I'm still there. I'm still there. But just know say I still have a beat you back there. I'm going to give you more. So know where you are the next time.
Closer. Yeah, say something to you. Alright, so what you gonna go on now? We're there upon the verge of building this movie industry in Jamaica, you know what I mean? From nothing. You know what I mean? Is the country do not recognize talent until you actually achieve something in the island, until you break barriers and boundaries. It has been that way from even before I was born. From reggae time till now, they don't see the value of the people. Even when you're watching sport or anything, only when you reach the top do the country really recognize it. Not the people I'm talking. I'm talking about corporate. Corporate don't look for the grassroots people, them really and build them, and that's bad. That's why then they talk about building nation. They're not building nation, right? They're just saying stuff. But we are not just saying stuff. We're trying to build it out of nothing. So you, the people out in the world, I'm going to do a WhatsApp group for and call it my support team because I'm gonna need support in this mission that I'm on, and unity is gonna bring forth in that, right? So I'm gonna put out the number on the screen for the WhatsApp group, and you can contact me there through WhatsApp, right? And tell me you want to be a member of that group, and then it's for people who want to support the movement though. It's not for just idling. It's for the projection of where we want to go. You know what I mean? So it's for people who are supporting directly, serious part of it. You know what I mean? Because it does take a serious part for we to keep on doing what we're doing. You know what I mean? Yeah. So thanks for watching though. You know what I mean? It's a joy to do movie. We do movie like every day. We shoot every day, right? So, and it's a joy to get the comments them. So thanks for the comments them every writing. You know what I mean? It helped the algorithm. So continue writing your comments of what you feel, and positive energy bring forth positive mission, right? We're all trying to get somewhere. So let's get there in peace and in love. You know what I mean? It's a rough road, but we fight it on a daily basis. You know what I mean? How we make this movie, Olijano, you know what I mean? Because the bills them is terrible high in Jamaica. You know what I mean? So, but it's a fight, I come to fight it. You know what I mean? So, it's on its way. You know what I mean? But nobody's gonna save you really. We gotta save ourselves, right? So that's what I'm trying to do here, saving ourselves. So all the people who think that Jamaica can't get back, well, it's not a good sentiment. You know what I mean? But we can build it to where we want it, right? So we're gonna have. In this group, we're gonna have discussion and the step forward. You know what I mean? We can't save the whole of Jamaica one time. So if we can save ourselves and teach people how to save themselves too, it can work from that perspective. You know what I mean? So self-sufficient and prosperity. You know what I mean? And hard work, longevity. We have to think of a way. We are human beings and we are here to survive. So let us survive and strive. Burn it down to the ground.